Touchdown Gucci!
Feeling so lucky, can you be my lover? Summertime, you tell me what you see in me. I'm going round, but you keep bringing me back in. Why you so silent? I'm going crazy, but I know. Just stay. I want you to stay. It feels right. I wanna talk about these feelings. It feels right. Just tell me when you really want it.
This is the
I feel it
7th
rumbling
Gateway to
every
Heaven.
time that you stay. 'Cause it feels right. Press 1, 2, 3. Feeling so lucky, can you be my lover? You got a hold that pulls me right into you.
So hot.
Feeling so lucky, can you be my lover?
We're at 1,100 feet. 1,400 feet, guys.
You want, right into you.
Ang ganda. It was worth it.
Feeling so lucky, can you be my lover?
Hi guys! Welcome to my YouTube channel! May sasabihin daw si Katie. Ano yan ba? Guys, this is the first time traveling abroad and this is going to be my first episode as well. No, punta lang kami sa Malaysia kasi bibisitahin namin yung family ko doon. Because if you guys don't know, my family lives in Malaysia. So ako lang talaga yung naiwan sa Pilipinas and now we're finally going to visit there. Excited na nga yung mommy ko kasi huling nakita niya pa si Katie, binyag pa. E ngayon, ang laki-laki na. Guys, gusto niya talaga magsalita. Oh, what are you gonna say, love? Actually, guys, medyo namamblema nga kami kasi wala kasing direct flight papunta. So, magli-layover pa kami. Eh, yung layover namin, guys, is 6.5 hours. So, luckily naman, gabi ngayon. Parang okay na rin na gabi para tulog lang si KD the whole time. I hope matulog siya later, no? Okay, guys, let's go! See you, Malaysia! Here's Katie, guys. Here's Katie, boom. Okay guys, mayroon kaming game plan. Sabi ng PJ ni Katie habang nag-take off daw, padadayan ko siya. Parang hindi magka-pressure yung tenga niya. Ayun lang lang ako. Guys, we're finally in Malaysia. Guys, kanina may umiiyak sa aeroplano, hindi si KD. Ito. Yun yung umiiyak sa plane kanina. Ay. Guys, oh my gosh, grabe yung pangyayari kanina. Muntik na maiwan. Muntik na ako maiwan. Ayaw ko papasukin sa immigration. Guys, legit, tinakbo ko kanina. Kasi ang nangyari, si ate sa AirAsia Philippines, nagkamali siya ng print ng boarding pass ko. So, nadoble niya. Kasi di ba may layover kami. So, imbes na from this to that, naging from this to this lang. Basta nadoble niya yung dalawang boarding pass. Dapat magkaiba yun kasi nga connecting flight to, di ba? So, yun, bumalik pa ako sa baba. Tapos, pinaprint ko ulit yung ticket ko. Ako makapagkwento ng mga isa. Dinala ko kay ate AirAsia. Bakit siya nagkamali? Pero nagkagamit ako sa sarili. Bakit hindi ko dinubol siya? Nagkakamali niya. Moral lesson for today. Lagi niyong i-check ang boarding pass niyo kung tama ba ang print. Hindi naman ako na-late. Kala ko kasi 7 o'clock yung flight. Pero 7:50 pala. Tapos guys, grabe. Lahat ng mga tao doon, pinagkakamusta na nila ako. Lahat ng immigration, ng security officer. Parang sasabi lang, oh, how are you? What happened? What happened? Ay. Grabe talaga. Get it, boysing. Let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go. We gotta go. Hi guys, we're finally here. Touchdown, Coaching. Okay guys, first time ni Russell malalanghap ang hangin sa Malaysia.
Hindi naman first time.
Ay, second time. Second time niya na
Parang
malalanghap.
hindi na naman second. Parang two.
Oh, basta ngayon malalanghap niya ng hangin sa Malaysia. Touchdown, Coaching! Touchdown daw guys, touchdown. Puntahan na natin yung anak ko na ninakaw na ng nanay ko. Grabe siya guys, grabe siya. Hindi niya na binatawan. Hi sister. Hi. Yeah, that's my sister. Anyways guys, dumating kami sa airport 7 a.m. Tapos ngayon, 10 a.m. na. So, kayo na mag-calculate, ilang hours na akong nagsistay sa airport. I feel so icky. I wanna take a shower. Whew. Okay, first meet up nila, nagpupo daw si KD, sabi ni Mama. Baba, umutot lang. Umutot lang pala, false
Siyempre
alarm.
pag Malaysian Air, hindi tayo gamay.
Hindi pa gamay. Okay guys, we're home. We're home. This is our room. Ay! Wow! May pa-supplies na PR kit si Katie. Mayroong mama, may baby wipes, may Johnson's, and mommy Popo. Thanks for the PR. We're on top of the building. Spot?
Welcome sa Top Spot. Tara, samahan niyo po.
This is called an oyster pancake. Or does it taste like? Ito yung sauce niya.
Are you vlogging?
Yeah.
What's up, vlog? Welcome back to my YouTube channel.
Pwede ka na mag-vlog. Whee! Hi, Bobby.
For Muslims, if babi mean it's like kind of like a bad word because they can't eat it. They can't eat pork.
Okay. Okay.
Babi means pig.
Oh
What does it
my
mean?
gosh. Okay, we can say, I'm gonna call him Lai na lang, Lai.
Kinda, yeah.
Kasi in-explain sa kanisa din, bawal pala yung term of endearment namin dito. Because it's kinda disrespectful.
Yeah, to Muslims.
That's why when I shouted Bobby kanina, everyone was looking at me.
Yeah.
Oh! We're sorry.
Baby.
Baby.
Friendship bridge ba to?
No.
Yan ang bridge na dadalhin ka sa iyong pinanggalingan.
Bakit pa nang galingan? Okay, aakit ka guys, tapos babalik ka lang din dito. Kakausapin ni daddy yung guard if pwede pa kami pumasok guys. Guys, we're going in! Nakiusap kami kasi sarado na talaga siya hanggang 10 o'clock lang. Ba't puti na lang mabait yung guard?
Siguro sinabi ni Daddy famous vlogger.
Kaya nga yung sabi vlog. Nag-explain pa si daddy, sabi vlogger daw kami. Oh my gosh! Wow! Wow! Oh, this is the 7 gateway to heaven. Wait, pag tumalon ka.
Ito ang pinakamahal na overpass sa Malaysia, guys.
Guys, ito daw yung pinakamahal na overpass sa Malaysia.
This is so awkward.
Scene 2, namomoblemang bata.
What?
Dumudunga ka. Senti moment, sentimental. You're sad.
Tama.
You're thinking about everything is wrong. You're thinking about your first heartbreak when mommy didn't pansin you. Okay, isipin mo yung moment na napulot ka ni mami sa basurahan. Guys, yung tulog si Katie. Ang cute pa naman ng car na to. Gusto ko na ito. What is ni hao, ma?
How are you?
Ma.
I watched Karate.
Ni hao is hello. Ni hao, ma is how are you? Guys, we're just kids enjoying our ice cream.
Our radio.
Guys, paano kayo kumain ng Magnum? Like, kinakagat niyo ba yung buo or tinatanggal niyo lahat ng chocolate bago niyo kainin?
Chocolate. Yung ice cream muna bago yung chocolate. Puli ka chocolate.
Ha? Ha? Yeah! Parang ngayon ko lang narinig yun.
Oh.
How? Wait.
You guys are the opposite. Wala,
You are the opposite.
Paano mo kakainin yung ice cream? Paano mo kakainin yung ice cream? Hi guys, it's day 2.
Happy Father's Day, guys.
Yeah, today is Father's Day, so we're just shopping for a gifts kay Daddy.
Hopefully just shopping.
So I think napili naming shirt. Wait, this one. Because my dad really likes football. Looks nice on him, I think. Kasi kahapon, nakita ko siya, nagbebet siya. So like, bilhin natin. Pero iniwan ko yung nanay ko sa counter para siya yung magbabayad na. Steady. He's just sleeping. He's actually been sleeping the whole trip. Cute nung ito. Guys, ang cute na ito. Para kay KD sana. Actually, guys, marami palang cute na damit na panglalaki. Parang ngayon ko lang nare-realize. Because, syempre, puro babae kasi lagi. Pero marami din palang cute na panglalaki. Like, look at this, bro. It's still big. KD has a lot of shoes in the Philippines. Yeah, may Adidas na ba si KD? Cute sana nito. Okay, got the goods. Okay, guys, let's go. Okay, next shop. We're gonna go shopping for myself and Russell. Uniqlo. We're gonna look for some Russell fits. Yung mga pinag-shopan namin, parang wala naman sa Pilipinas eh, no? Hey guys, I wanna try this. But it's kinda heavy. How am I gonna bring this back? Oh, bagay siya sa akin, guys. Parang lately, ang hilig ko sa mga jacket. Maganda ba to? Guys, life hack, bumili kayo sa kids section.
Pero sino si Molly?
Ito ang hinili ko.
What can you say?
Guys, KD Boo is awake. Guys, KD Boo is awake but he's kind of bored, no? Ito yung yaya namin for today.
Yaya.
Yaya. Nang yaya. Anyways, I just ordered some matcha because I'm kind of sleepy na. I need to have my matcha. Thank you. Thank you for getting it. Okay, let's taste the matcha, guys. Let's taste. Dito tayo sa tutulog. Bobby, first time ko lang mag-matcha sa Malaysia. Tingnan natin kung may difference ba yung taste. Nagsimula lang ako mag-matcha nung nabuntis ako eh. Kasi diba bawal ako coffee. Okay, cheers! Ang tamis? Sakto lang. Halika dito. Papakita mo sa camera. Guys, first time ito try ni Mama yung matcha. Harap na.
Lasang dabo.
Same. Ang lasa? Lasang piping straw.
Pero masarap. Okay. I would rate it. Medyo may pagkalasa siya ng yelo ng ref eh. Alam niyo yun, yung ganong lasa. Parang sa yelo naglalasa.
Ang pangit niya.
Okay na yung sweetness niya. Hindi ko lang pala masyado nahalo kanina. Nagagalit na yung nanay ko. Gusto kasi nito fast shopping eh. So like, dapat, pagkapasok namin sa store, 10 minutes pa lang nakabili na kami. Well, actually, wala pa nga 10 minutes eh. Dapat 5 minutes pa lang nakabili ka na. That's what you call fast fashion. Literally. Okay guys, we're going photo booth with Katie. Ready ka na? Ready ka na? Merong vintage elevator. And then, what's the other one? This is the normal elevator. And then this is the, yeah. This is the train station. Okay guys, let's go. And then this is the laundry. Uy, kakaiba to ah. Ngayon ko lang ako nakita ng laundry. Okay, come. Ito lang ah.
4, 3,
Ayun yung camera.
2, 4,
Camera lang! Ah!
2, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2.
Okay, these are the photos, guys. Wow, nice one. Ay, ayaw na niya. Oh my gosh, guys, we ordered a lot. Let's taste the tables and see. Better peace of mind. Si Katie nakakapit sa kanya. That's gracious, guys. It's so hot. Oh, it's okay, thank you. Hi guys, we're just chilling on the bed because it's currently raining outside. Well, di pa naman umulan, pero medyo makulimlim na. Still nice because I'm with my kitty boo. Okay, this is the butter bread. Grabe. Sarap. Sarap pala na ito. It's so moist. Guys, we're finally off the cottage. Hindi na sumama si Katie kasi natulog na siya. So, I'm just with my sister and Russell. Yes. Sister and Russell. Taray niya. Medyo di na nga tumigil yung ulan eh. So, like, magsiswimming kami kahit umuulan. Kasi sayang naman, you know. Sheesh.
Pwede tayo mag-click sa swing.
Oo nga, no? Game sa swing.
Yan o, and I mean right now.
May mission kami gawin yung TikTok.
Oh my God.
Hi guys! Di na ako nakapag-vlog kanina nung nag-swimming kami kasi umuulan. So, ang hirap din mag-vlog. Pero, ngayon, magdi-dinner lang kami. Aalis na lang kami sa resort kasi alam niyo naman, medyo mahal kapag sa loob ng resort kumakain. So, like, maghanap na lang kami somewhere sa labas kasi 2 nights pa kami. So, we're saving the expensive dinner. Bukas na lang. Say bye, Katie! Bye! Hi guys, we're here and Katie is finally awake. Nakatulog siya kasi kanina sa biyahe. But he's awake now and he wants to vlog again. We're just here sa Sugar Bun. Sarap ng food nila dito but hindi na available yung gusto ko. Tilapia kasi yun eh. So I just ordered fish fillet and chicken. guys, we're back home and I ordered juice coffee. So guys, we're just gonna walk. Kasi sayang naman ang stay namin kung di namin masusulit, diba? So like, maglalakad-lakad na lang kami. Ayan, hahatid lang ni Russell yung stroller. Kasi guys, doon yung pinto namin, yung main door. Tapos nandito yung main door nila, mami. Pero connecting room lang kami. Tsaka isang chalet lang siya. Guys, ito yung matcha from Zeus. And it's nice. Kalasa na lang yung Zeus sa Philippines.
What's up mga ka-OFW? Dito tayo ngayon sa Malaysia. Naghahatid tayo ng mga tuwalya sa mga iba't ibang karta.
Baby, that's good.
Grabe naman mga tao dito. Ang aga nang matutulog. Sa Pilipinas, ngayon mo palang makikita yung mga tao.
Mga nagbe-video kay pag may resort. Dito
Kasi
wala.
pati yung ilaw patay na, no?
Guys, this is what life looks like pag asawa mo si Russell. Ang dami ng kalokohan talaga.
Sorry, intrusive thoughts.
Ay, parang ewan talaga itong lalaking to.
Wait, may digicam sa ano ko.
Wala ka dyan. Alam mo yung feeling na gusto mo lang mag-deep talk tapos ganyan yung asawa mo. Yung... parang ewan talaga. Halika na, Bobby. Wala kaming maupuan kasi lahat. Basa. Ano ba yan? So like, kanina pa kami naglalakad. Siguro mga 10. Huwag ko iwan! Ay, Diyos ko, para akong may anak na panganay. Mas makulit kay KD. Sabihin mo, I'm on top of the world.
I'm on top of the world. Hey!
Kaya iwan lang ito. Guys, iwan ko na si Russell. Kulit talaga. Uy, saan ka pupunta? Basta yan, te. Morning, guys! Oh, sarap na kasi. Good morning! We just woke up, guys, and we're heading now to go eat some breakfast. Now, love. Sun, mommy's still golden sun. Good morning! Si Daddy may dala bang backpack?
Yeah, I'm a dad.
Yeah.
Daddy boo.
He's a daddy boo. Guys, grabe.
Gabi kapag 9 o'clock, patay na lahat ng ilaw.
Hello. Good morning. Yay! Katie! Let's gonna eat some eggs! In every buffet, this is the destination. This is Katie's egg. What's that?
Fried noodles. Try ko lang. Hadi pa. Bak matapang. Napilis mong tinapay?
Chicken sauce. Hindi lang ako nakakita ng breakfast buffet na unlimited yung butter. Malagay dito.
Sige, tagalan mo lang.
Peanut. You want peanut butter?
No. Ito naman ang
Croissant to. Did you get a croissant?
Yeah.
Pwede kaya to?
Yeah.
Guys, yung mga pagbigo. Nalaglag ko. Natapon. Doon sa ano pag...
Well.
Guys, finally, umaraw na din and makakapag-swimming na kami. Look, the weather is finally good. Guys, medyo umaampun sa ano ba naman yan. Kakalabas ko lang eh. Kakasabi ko pa lang, guys, finally, umaraw na din. Speak lang.
Color medyo ano eh. Ayan ang maliwanag.
Lord, please, bigay nyo kahit mga 2 oras lang po. Excited na si KG Buting Ting. Dalampasigan. Guys, mahirap pala mag-vlog sa beach, no? Saan ko kayo ilalagay ngayon, di ba? Wow, look at that, KD Boo! Look at that. taking pictures at the beach. Now we're going sa taas kasi mas maganda yung view sa taas eh. Hilltop view siya. Let's go! Okay guys, we're gonna go up. Gonna go up to the top. This is our shuttle. Sa harap ako? Ayoko. Dito na lang. Dito na lang sa gitna. Okay, let's go! Okay, so this is the hilltop. No entry, residents only. Wow. This is the hilltop pool. Guys, ngayon naman sobrang init pa lang dito kami makaligo sa pool. Ano, so hot. Look, ang ganda ng pool oh. May bridge pa siya oh. Picture mo kaya kami ni KD sa beach. Dito kami sa ilalim ng bridge ni KD tatambay para hindi mainit. Isalin is under the cave. Uy, Bobby na babagsak! Okay guys, di namin kinayanan. Bababa na ulit kami kasi sobrang init dito. Hindi kaya mag-swimming ni KD. Boo!
Isalin, tomorrow you wake up. Last day na.
Nag-wait na lang kami for the shuttle. Guys, alam niyo ba sa resort na to, may pinaparentahan silang kabayo.
Oh my God, bumigat ka na pala. Bumigat ka na pala.
Tigidig. Oh, tigidig. Ano ba? Guys, ang cute ni Katie. 1, 2, yan, inaas niya palalo. Guys, pupunta kami ngayon sa reception. May restaurant kasi doon. Tapos doon na lang kami magla-lunch. Kasi di na namin kaya. And if you notice, yes, nag-outfit repeat ako ngayon. Kasi biglaan lang naman kasi yung day 2 namin. Supposedly, dapat uuwi na kami ngayon. Pero, nag-extend kami. Kaya wala akong dadalang extra damit. So, eto na lang ulit yung sasuotin natin.
Yep.
Pero answered prayer talaga. Sabi ko kasi kay Lord, sana uminit. So, like, totoo naman, uminit nga. Pabaliktad si KD para hindi siya maarawan. Okay lang kami maarawan. Wag lang yung anak ko. Baka mapasok siya. Wala pa naman siyang sunscreen. Kasi, tinry namin bumili ng sunscreen. But apparently, bawal pala ang sunscreen sa babies. Wala silang sunscreen. Meron lang for kids. Pero for babies, wala. Kasi sensitive daw yung skin nila. And may sarili daw silang protection. Yun yung sabi ng sales lady. Di ko alam kung totoo. Di pa ako masyado nag-research about it. But naniwala na lang muna ako sa kanya. May point din. Like, ba't naman niya ako ayaw bentahan? Pwede naman niya na ako bentahan ng pang kids na lang, di ba? Pero yun yung sinabi niya sa akin. Okay lang, para mabilis. Malayo nang iigutin ko sa kapitan. Guys, sobrang lifesaver talaga tong stroller na to. Gamit na gamit namin siya sa trip namin ngayon. This is the GB All City Stroller.
GB Pocket All Cities.
GB Pocket All City Stroller. Sobrang gamit na gamit.
Ito rin din ba siya?
Hindi, All City yan. Like, binigay lang siya sa amin ng GB. But,
Kapalit ng pagrampa mo.
kapalit ng pagrampa. But like, sobrang ma-recommend ko talaga siya sa inyo first travel. Ganda-ganda niya, promise. Sobrang compact niya. And magaan lang siya. Katina nga, nakita niya, binuhat ni Russell. Ang dami ng bitbit. Andiyan na si Katie. Tapos meron pang mga water sa ilalim. Like, okay na okay siya.
Tapos, pwede pa siyang sa cabin. Pwede na siyang check-in tapos hindi siya binabayaran.
Yo.
Galing, anong tanda mo?
Guys, we're off to the beach again. And I'm so happy because the sun is out. And we have a nice weather today. At this time, like, ang sarap huminga. I'm with my family. My family is there. KD Boo is so excited to go on the beach. Hindi kasi siya naka-beach kahapon kasi nga it was raining the whole time. And kanina naman, it was so hot so hindi rin kami nakaswimming. But now, finally, ang sarap-sarap. Wala na, di na ako nag-ayos. Like, kakagising ko nga lang actually. Hindi na ako nag-ayos, hindi na tayo magpipicture. we're gonna spend time with my family. Let's go! Layo masyado dito. Guys, it's low tide again. Kaninang umaga, it was high tide and now it's low tide again. Pero, I remembered, usually pag mga gantong oras yung high tide. Chloe, wow! Look!
Ba't nagra-rush sa mukha niya?
Hindi ko nag-water.
Kitty! Kitty, kitty, boo! Kitty, kitty, boo! Kitty, kitty, boo! Wow! Kitty, kabla! Kitty, boo! Ay, sus! Ay, sus! Yan!
Guys, matitikman ni Russell yung favorite food ko sa Malaysia. This is called the Tetarek. Tesi Peng Special. Medyo kalasa niya yung parang sugar na ginamit sa Zeus coffee, yung Gula Melak. Yan, yung coffee na yun. Pero it's a tea version of that. Yun yung best description ko para sa
Sleeps, aircon, and fan. Very sweaty. If not, I call pro. Wow. Ano yung garlic?
You will just know.
Mahal. Sabi puro kalamansi lang kinuha. Hindi ko ba nahal?
Hi guys, it's our last day, so we're gonna go swimming for the last time. Oh man. It's just the two of us kasi tulog pa si Isaline, tulog pa yung kapatid ko, and KD is also sleeping. So hindi na rin naman siya pinapool kasi baka masyado na siya napagod kahapon. And guys, alam nyo ba, South China Sea yan. Yung pinaglalangoyan namin.
West Philippine Sea yan.
Doon sa dulo, it's South China Sea.
West
So,
Philippine Sea.
hindi, iba yung West Philippine Sea. Doon ba yun sa ano?
Hindi,
Bandang Pilipinas.
Hindi.
There's my hubs. Guys, we're the only one at the beach right now. Actually, it's been like this for 3 days na. So, di ba 3 days yung stay namin? So, the whole time, sabi nga nila, it's fully booked. But the whole time, we were alone. Di naman alone. Pero, siguro mga 5 lang yung nakikita kong tao. Tapos ngayon, kami lang dalawa ni Russell. Alam mo yan. Parang nakakamiss yung mga nagbe-video. Kaya ito yung sa may resort. Kaya yung may ingay nagtatawanan. Dito wala eh. Parang sobrang peaceful niya. I guess it's nice for a change naman. No?
Lamig!
Guys, bakit? Sabi walang, ano? Sabi na tawag sa'yo? Wave. Guys, I don't know what he's doing.
Guys, pag nakakita kayo ng ganda, i-rescue mo ba? Ako parang hindi.
Parang namamatay. Nakikiliti yung tenga ko. Hindi ako makafocus.
Pero ang ganda, di ba? Ang ganda. Ayun, ang ganda.
Tama na! Ayoko na. Guys, alam nyo ba, I had a bad dream kanina na naginip ako din na daw ako mahal ni Russell. Sakit.
1, 2, 3.
Hindi niya daw ako pinapansin. Oy, wag! hindi niya na daw ako pinapansin. Medyo nakakasad. Sunod lang daw ako ng sunod sa kanya, tapos hindi niya ako pinapansin.
Kaya pala pagkagising ko.
Ano ba ginagawa mo?
Nalaglag ako. Kaya pala pagkagising ko, ano? Niyakap ka.
Yeah. Ay, may bill. Wala kami pambayad, guys.
Pambayad.
Sabi mo siya, may bill. Coconut.
Sada, ayan.
Coconut. Sir, is it okay to bill it in the room?
Can.
Can 409. Yes, because we don't have money. Yeah, we only have mango. Thank you. Thank you so much.
You're from where?
Philippines.
Philippine. Which part of Philippines?
Manila.
Manila.
Yes.
I've been to.
You've been to Manila?
The first time I'm going to. There is a province. A bit far from Manila. It's,
Cebu, Palawan,
I don't know which part. Because we are going there. When I was
layover.
in Bintulu, we are going searching for Ben Boy.
Ah, band boy. For here.
No, for Bintulu last time.
Ah, Bintulu.
We have Fun Pop. We have
Ah.
two bands.
Yeah, there are many singers in the Philippines.
Yes. Sometimes when you go to something like waterfront,
Ah.
there's one there, one here.
Oh yeah, one singer from the Philippines.
But
Ah.
their voice is very good.
Yes, thank you. Yes, thank you. I have here my what's this called? Fresh coconut juice. Okay, let's taste it, guys. Let's taste it.
From them.
From Damay Beach. Yes. Ganda ng engravement.
Kano? 15 ringgit?
Yeah. Sarap.
Musla.
Sarap.
Hindi mapigtas yung Crocs.
Salamat datang. It means welcome. Medyo matarik pala to, no?
Ito, wala pa nga tayo.
Wala pa ba tayo sa tarik?
Oo, wala pa to.
Time check, it's 8:30. Balak naman matapos ng 10. Ah, may falls sa baba. Yan na ba yung falls, tita? Mamaya kasi after peak po, bababa ka na papuntang falls. Ay, sabi ni Russell, bibigyan niya daw ako sa bakit.
Laka. Laka.
Sabi niya, kapapasanin siya.
Bababa na tayo.
Hindi ba? Hindi ba totoo? Guys, we're 900 feet. Kakain tayo mamaya ng bihon, na tuk-tuk. This is my first serious cardio in 2 years. Yeah, 2 years. Almost. We're at 1,100 feet. 1,400 feet, guys. Guys, it's okay to take a rest. Just a little reminder.
Sarap.
Baliktarin mo. Sete, madami. Guys, this is the top. Wow! Akit tayo dito. Yung stick ko kailangan natin iakyat. Oh my God, that's so pretty, guys. Ang ganda. It was worth it. Ganda. Okay, guys, we're full. We're energized. Goodbye, Mount Serapi Peak. Hi guys! Nakauwi na kami ni Russell and grabe, sobrang pagod nga talaga mag-hike. It was an experience for me since that was my first hike and that was my first ever cardio then since 2 years. What can you say? Sa journey natin kanina. Nahihiya si Russell, hindi daw siya makapagsalita. Medyo speechless siya sa hike namin kanina. Coming from a retired athlete, medyo speechless siya sa hike namin kanina. Kasi naka 15 kilometers kami, tapos 7 hours kami nag-hike, total of 15 kilometers na elevated and makikitid. Oh my gosh, guys, I have another Zeus coffee. Nag-order ako ng Zeus kasi kailangan ko mag-lock-in sa editing tonight. Medyo late na tayo with other brands. Ay, babi, dito kayo sa labas. Matcha Cloud Latte sa Boot. Ito yung order ko. And ang order ni Rose, hindi mo kailangan ng oat. For my breast milk. Ice Spanish latte with cheese cream for Russell. Okay guys, magla-lock in ako sa editing. That's all for today. Good night!